AI influencer podcast reels are exploding right now on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. Some creators are pulling in millions of views using simple AI-generated podcast clips. And the craziest part is, many of them don't even record real podcasts themselves. These videos are getting massive engagement, growing pages fast, and helping creators make money from ads, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. I'm going to show you how you can create this type of viral AI podcast video, which is literally going extremely viral on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok right now, 100% for free. To create podcast-style videos, the first thing you need is an image, something like a girl sitting in a podcast studio. You can easily generate this using AI tools like Gemini or ChatGPT. So first, go to the Play Store or App Store and install either ChatGPT or Gemini if you're using a phone. As you can see, I'm using ChatGPT on PC here, but the process is exactly the same on mobile as well. Once you open the app, turn on Create Image. Paste in a simple prompt like this one. I wrote, "Create a vertical 9:16 cinematic medium close-up shot of a modern-looking 25-year-old Indian girl sitting in a cozy podcast studio, wearing attractive, stylish clothing with a naturally appealing body composition, giving an overall professional podcast vibe." That's the basic prompt I used here. Now, if you want, you can also add extra details to improve the result even more. For example, you can say the background should look cinematic, the lighting should be professional, or the setup should feel modern and realistic. Basically, whatever type of image you want, just describe it clearly in the prompt. After writing it, simply send it, and the AI will start generating the image for you. Now there's one very important thing you need to remember. Make sure you include 9:16 in the prompt because that's the perfect format for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You can set that right here on ChatGPT. Also, make sure you mention that the clothing and overall appearance should look attractive and visually appealing. The reason we do this is because attractive visuals help grab attention instantly. When someone sees the reel, they're less likely to scroll away quickly, which helps improve retention and makes the video perform better. Now to save the image, simply click on it and download it to your device. So yes, creating images with AI is actually very easy. You just need to give the AI the right instructions, and it will generate the image for you within seconds. For a consistent face, just prompt ChatGPT or Gemini to change the clothing of your model. Once the image is ready, the next step is to turn it into a video. For that, we'll use Google's AI tool called Google Flow. It works really well and is completely free for both mobile and PC users. But if you're using a mobile phone, you can use a great free alternative called YT Create. Just go to the Play Store or App Store, search for YT Create, and you'll see it at the top. Install it from there. No matter which tool you use, the overall process is basically the same. After opening the app or website, you'll see an interface like this. Here, you'll find the Create a Video option. Simply click on it. Once you do that, you'll see an Upload option. Click there and upload the image you want to convert into a video. For example, I really like how this image looks, so I'm selecting this one and clicking Done. Now the image has been successfully added. The next thing you need to do is write what you want the character to say in the video. You can type a prompt like this here, and then inside the brackets, write the exact dialogue you want the girl to speak. If you already have your own script or dialogue idea, you can directly paste it there. But if you don't, you can easily use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate one for you. For example, here I asked ChatGPT to create emotional dialogue targeted toward boys. I specifically asked it to write short emotional paragraphs, around 3 to 4 lines each, and generate 10 different versions. After clicking Send, it instantly generated 10 different dialogue options for me. And as you can see here, this is the first dialogue it gave me. Now, if you notice that the podcast character is speaking a little too fast, don't worry. That happens because the dialogue you pasted is too long. The current limit for Veo 3.1 video generation is only around 8 seconds per clip. That means the AI can only generate short video segments at a time, which is why the voice starts sounding rushed when you add too much text at once. And if you have a Grok account, go ahead and use Grok instead. So instead of pasting the entire dialogue together, split it into smaller parts. For example, generate the video using only the first half of the dialogue first. Then separately generate the second half afterward. This way, the speech sounds much more natural, smoother, and easier to understand. Let's preview this.
Some people don't leave your life suddenly. They leave slowly through changed behavior, and somehow that hurts more. That some people don't leave your life suddenly. They leave slowly through changed behavior, and somehow that hurts more. That some people don't.
Now watch me generate multiple parts of this video using the exact same image and the extend functionality of Google Flow. So as you can see, the video has now been created perfectly. Let's preview it again.
Some people don't leave your life suddenly. They leave slowly through changed behavior, and somehow that hurts more. That I stopped explaining how I feel. Because every time I opened up, I felt misunderstood instead of loved. Boys cry too. They just learn very early that nobody really cares when they do. So they hide it behind jokes and silence. Some people don't leave your life suddenly. They leave slowly.
And that's basically how you create these AI podcast reel videos. Now to save the video, simply click on the download button right here, then click full video, and the video will be downloaded to your device. After that, upload the video into CapCut or any other video editor you like. Cut out unwanted parts, add some cinematic filters, background music if needed, and most importantly, add captions, because captions help improve watch time and engagement on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.